Screen printing is a technique used to transfer ink onto a substrate, such as t-shirts, sweatshirts, jerseys, hats, and much more. The screen used in screen printing is a woven mesh, similar to the mesh of a window screen. There are many different sizes of mesh that can be used. This will vary depending on the artwork to be printed. This mesh is stretched over a frame to a certain tension. The tighter the mesh, the better your imprint will be. The screen is then coated with an emulsion. This is a light-sensitive liquid that is allowed to dry on the screen for several hours until it hardens. We then take a film positive of the art that is to be printed on the substrate, one transparency for each color of the graphic. This will be burned onto the screen by exposing it to light. The areas of the image that are blocked out will not be exposed to the effects of the light. The screen is then taken to the washout room, where the areas that were not exposed to the light will wash out, exposing the mesh in those areas for the ink to flow through for printing. This process is repeated for each color of the design. The screens are then brought to the press to be printed. With multiple color jobs, each screen is precisely registered to each other to ensure accurate printing. Based upon the substrate being used, the correct type of ink is loaded into the screens. A squeegee is used to pass over the design and push the ink through the open areas of the mesh, applying the image to the garment. Once printed, the garment is sent through a conveyor dryer so the ink is properly cured, leaving your final product. Talk to a GH sales consultant to learn more about screen printing, or to place your own order for screen printed apparel.